Hey, what's up guys? All right, so here's the deal. So I'm gonna be making 3 videos on the head work. First video is removal of the head, second video is disassembling of the head, and the third video is gonna be the reassembling of the head. I wanted to know if you guys wanted me to do additional videos like that, which is kind of like a staged process in each video, or do you want me to make one video with the whole process, which actually will take longer? But if you guys want to see one video with everything in it, just let me know and I can make that happen. The next phase of this project is going to be the lower end of the motor, so I'm thinking that that's going to be 2-3 videos, or I can take longer and do it as one video. So just shoot the comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm cool either way with it, but just one way you guys have to wait a little bit longer to see what's going on. So also subscribe. That'll help a lot. What's up, guys? It's Race Car Richie.
So in the last episode, you saw I polished the crank.
That's looking really nice.
I was kind of debating on cycling oil through it, trying to flush out the system, and I think realistically, I'm just gonna save the hassle and I'm gonna take the head off. I'm gonna take the block out and I'm gonna rebuild the whole thing, get it hot tanked, clean it, also get the crank checked, rebalanced, and make sure everything's within spec. I'm gonna replace the crank bearings as well as the rod bearings. So for today, I'm gonna start taking everything apart. Hopefully I can get a decent amount done. Let's get rocking and rolling.
Make sure you get some Ziploc bags and a Sharpie so you can put all the nuts and bolts in separate bags and label them, keep track of where everything goes. Throw the whole thing in a freaking pile somewhere. That way when you put everything back together, you know where it goes.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior.
I lost my Sharpie marker already.
I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna...
Just gotta take the manifold off, slip the timing belt off. Valve cover's already basically off. I just gotta pull it up. And we gotta pull the head studs out. And I think that's it. I think the head's coming off. Not too bad. I think I've been here for like an hour and a half. And just kind of taking my sweet time, just ripping it apart. So I'm gonna get the head off. And that's step one, I guess.
Let me show you what's up, 'cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I'll take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too.
All right, so I just cracked all the head studs loose. Now I'm just gonna zip them out with my impact gun. They're already loose. And then I actually have to physically take the studs out in order to take the head off, because it won't slide straight off the studs.
Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back.
All right, heads off. So it doesn't look like I have any burnt valves, which is good. I'll probably just end up taking it apart and relapping the valves and put it all back together. No damage to the pistons. This is a $150 copper freaking head gasket, and it's got stainless steel O-rings built into the head gasket. And now this thing is freaking useless. What a shame. There we go. Yeah, so solid copper, and then inside of the groove, inside that groove, there's a stainless steel O-ring. So when you compress the head gasket, it compresses. So we got nice scoring still inside. Now this one's not connected, but we can visually see that everything still looks really good inside the motor. These are still nice and clean. There's no damaged, no detonation stuff going on here. I think we're good. All right, guys. So the head's off. I've been here for about an hour and a half, and it took me about an hour to get it off. But we got it off. Doesn't look too damaged. I'm gonna bring it over to Brian's this weekend, and we're gonna take it apart, clean the whole entire thing out, clean every valley, and I'm gonna do a video on that. We're gonna relap the valves and everything, and basically just freshen up the head. And then as far as the block goes, same thing. I'm gonna take the block out, and I think I'm just gonna get that rod inspected, as well as the crank inspected, and that's all I need. And then hot tank the block and also clean up those valleys and everything for the oil. I do have a big parts list that I've made to rebuild this, mainly gaskets, head gasket, maybe an oil pump. I gotta determine the quality of the oil pump once I take it out and everything like that. So for now, we're just gonna do the head. I hope you enjoyed the video. I really hope you guys can follow, subscribe, like, turn on notifications. It really will help. I've been trying to grow the YouTube channel, and it just seems like the algorithm is completely against me no matter what I do. This is not just Mitsubishi Eclipse stuff. I also want to do some other car stuff as well. And you know, the more content, the more sharing, the more views I can get, the more I'll be able to go out and do other car things. Thanks for watching, guys.